some of you look trained. So already before coming to the services, don't look like that. Don't give that impression. Okay, boy, interview. Don't give us that impression, because see, they say that the moment you enter the room is when the panel decides. At least they make the first impression. You manche, let's talk to him. You have to give him that. You have to give the panel that impression that you are here to talk to them. How many of you talk to your grandparents on a daily basis? If you don't, start talking to them. Why I am saying you this? Because the age gap between you and the panel who will be there mostly in that range. So you have to strike a conversation with your grandparents. If you go with that attitude, you are a short winner. Why I am saying this? Because if you go with the nervousness that someone is there who knows more than you and he or she is going to dominate on you, you lose the battle. The battle of interview is won first in the mind and then in actual on the interview gate. So remember this. This is your mental battle that you are fighting. As we say in UPSC interview, I won't comment much on SPSC interview. I don't have an experience. But UPSC interview ma tapaiko prelims you have cleared. So your objective knowledge is already tested. You have cleared your mains. So your subjective knowledge is also tested. Your writing abilities are also tested. So what should we test you on? We test you on your integrity, on your honesty, on your adaptability to the challenges that this service will, provide you with or ask for it. So go with that mindset. You don't have to be very, some of you would be fresh graduates. I know, kati jana sa fresh graduates, anyone? Fresh? Few of you are fresh graduates. So tapaile sodhnu sakcha, tapaiko afno last year ko questions. I was discussing with SP sir yesterday. I have taken interviews of your NYK ko volunteers huncha, so I have limited experience. You ask them about your last year subject ko list mate bhannu hamele. Forget about the going deep into that subject. Khali subject ko naam mate bhannu aundena manche. So I am just telling you, maybe it's the nervousness, maybe, but you can make out, yes, he really doesn't know. Don't give us that impression. And some of you who are like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year out of the college, still you might be asked. It's always better to just go through the last year. They don't go into first year, second year, third year. Only last year questions, last year subject tapaiko ke cha bhanera. ठीक है? I wanted to touch on this point which Ashwin did, very, very important. Plan B. You all should have a lot of times when people get selected in UPSC, what happens? Tholo advertisement आउँछ नि हाम्रो त्यो महाराष्ट्रमा त Western Maharashtra they have unique ways of celebrating success of UPSC. They make them sit on elephant, then pura gauma humaunछ and all those things. Tholo posters लगाउँछ. So fortunately I come from the poorer section of Maharashtra, Vidarbha, so even the colony people might not know that you have been selected Banera. So I like that, like anonymous Banera. So understand that this is not life and death. As I said, he put it up brilliantly. If you come to the service, brilliant. If you don't come to the service, I would say even more brilliant. Why? Because then you are not bound by the rules and regulations that this service will bind you. You might want to do XYZ things, but there will be a lot of limitations. You cannot, go outside that limitations and try to do things. You are outside the service, the entire field is open to you. Lot of people I personally know who gave the best year of their services to the preparation, couldn't go through, but ultimately are contributing to the society in a much better manner that I am doing. I can vouch for this fact personally. मैले सुनेको छ यस्तो मान्छे यस्तो गर्दैछ रे त्यस्तो छैन. I know people who are really doing much better in life. So those of you who cannot make it, don't think that this is the end of the road. End of the world. I'm sure there are a lot of opportunities. You have already के भन्छ त्यो 7000 मा तपाईले अब फाइट गरेर तपाईँ अब 200 जना 200 मा आइपुगेको छ हैन. So about 62, right? Total vacancies 62 ma you might be there, you might not be there. Doesn't make an iota of difference, especially in this age. I would say yes, 20 years back, 25 years down, pachadi government jobs were like coveted, है ना? कि engineer साहब, suppose कोई अब अश्विन, if Ashwin was let's say being selected 30 साल अगाड़ी या 35 साल अगाड़ी आणि कसले सोदरे इंजिनियर साहब को घर कहाँ छ नाम पण ना लिए इंजिनियर साहब को घर कहाँ छ मानसे वहाँ को घर समा मते घर समा they would have ensured that इंजिनियर साहब यहाँ बस से बनेगा आइले आइले इंजिनियर थुप्रो जना इंजिनियर छ कुन चाहिँ इंजिनियर चाहिन्छ कुन क्वालिटीको इंजिनियर चाहिन्छ हैन त्यस्तो भएको छ what is so big deal about being an engineer, being an officer भनेर there are a lot of officers around us. So I am telling you the practical. Now I have spent 8 years in the service. I know what we can do and I know what we cannot do. What we cannot do is much more than what we can do. So don't think that this is we wish you all the best and lot of pointers have been given to you. Suppose analyty you padnu parcha. I don't want to repeat to that. Only thing addition that I would like you to do is we are into the 50 years of statehood that we are going to write. All of you are aware, right? 1975 देखिए अब हमें 2025 में जाने सु. So 16th of May 2025 is when we will be celebrating 50 years of statehood. Expect some questions from that point of view also. And lot of initiatives have been taken by government to celebrate 50 years of statehood in a grand manner. You all know, I'm sure you would be knowing that Honorable Prime Minister of India has consented to be the chief guest on that occasion. So expect lot of questions if we are sitting. If I'm sure if a lot of officers are sitting in that panel, they will definitely ask you about the 50 years of statehood. Some of you, if you are trying to put a hobby which you don't have, see, understand, there's a difference. You have a hobby, you have an interest, you put it like what is so big deal to have a hobby? I may not have a hobby, right? Just but some of you would like to so you might start putting hobbies. Then since that is not your hobby, you will be grilled in that. So don't put something which you are not. My friend had put अब उसको पनि hobby थी and I was discussing this with my other colleagues that day. He put catching crabs. Suppose if I am an interview panel and if I get such a resume which says that his or her hobby is catching crab, what question I would ask that person? I can't ask unless I am a botanist or forest service somebody. But still, catching a crab is very limited question. And then he researched everything, prepare by catching crab बारे में तो information सब तो Google में पाया. Beyond that, what would people ask? If you are listening to music, watching movies, then you have to be very specific. When you say listen to music, then it goes to Hindustani music, classical Carnatic music, and it goes to instruments. So it can go to any level. So listening to Hindi music of old generation era banega, you be very specific is what I am asking you. I am just giving you a pointer because you want interviewer to ask you, but you don't want to grill you so much which you don't know. I wrote in music and movies ko leke, but it was very specific. Since at that time when we appeared, we belonged to old generation. So that time WhatsApp, thank God it was not there. And all those, the internet, Ambanis were not that generous enough. So 1 GB used to cost us a fortune, which you people are getting it in 2 GB. Kasto 2 GB सके कुछ आएगा बनेगा अपनी आउटसानी question. आज का युवा क्या सोचता है सुबह उठकर कि ये 2 GB का डेटा कैसे खत्म करते हैं? So that way I am saying you have to be very very specific. अब obvious question now, some of the panelists told you ना कि in case मलाई याद भय ना बने, I should say sir, I am not remembering, I am not able to recollect बने रहा है ना. Don't answer this in obvious questions. obvious भनेपछि अब तपाईको number of districts सोध्यो तपाईले that I am not able to give. That will put you in very poor light. ठीक है? So in nervousness you might say 4, but that nervousness will not be taken lightly because you know it's been 2 years, 3 years now that we have had 6 districts and we are not no more having 4 districts. So I am telling you कि don't make mistakes. जब आपके when it is in a strong area, you have to hit it very badly. And when it is outside your core area, when it is outside your knowledge domain, you can always say politely that I don't know. ठीक है? So this much of inputs from our side. Please dress well. We don't have to tell you again and again. Put a lot of water. I am sure there would be washrooms in and around that area where you are going. Carry when we go to Delhi for UPSC, people ask us to carry extra pair of clothes because it's hot over there, and you tend to perspire a lot during the actual interview because obviously the tension unsa, and you are very much overawed by the situation. It's not life and death. It is easy for me to say sitting on this side of the table that it is not life and death. It is easy. I am sure a lot of inputs that we have given you are easy for us. Why? Because we have gone through that stage and you are planning to come or you are aspiring to go to that stage. यहाँ तपाईं सिलेक्ट भएपछि आउँदाखेरि you can very well give ज्ञान. मेरो सिलेक्सन तपाईँ I was destined to become a civil servant. मेरो त माथिमै मलाई सानो हुँदाखेरि बाबाजीले भने. So people make all sort of stories, they can do anything. So, but you are damn nervous from inside when you are going to that panel. So carry an extra pair of shirt in your this thing doesn't matter much. Carry a comb. You want, it's not a grooming session. It's not, but it's always better to look kept, so that your hairs, your style. Ani सरले जस्तो भन्नुभयो video taping हुन्छ भनेर. See, it cannot be improved beyond a point, right? What I am today cannot be improved in 15 days. Can it be? It cannot be. You must come as a natural person. Like some of you, a lot of us have a habit of writing question, then writing answer. What happens in that? Rectified answer answer. Then what panel will make an impression? You manchita ratera apusa, and then suddenly what happens? They would ask you a question which is outside your comfort zone, and then you are nothing because that question you have not revised. That is where your test is. So you can prepare as much, but then try to be natural. I would say if I am sitting in your panel, if I am not sure, if me or SP sir or someone else is sitting, obviously senior officers basta tapaiko interview ma, if I am selecting your panel, I would like someone who is very natural, because I am not, as I said, your objective knowledge has been tested, your subjective knowledge has been tested, and if you don't have the knowledge of a particular domain, I am not going to reject you. I just want you to have that attitude. I am here, sir, to learn. I am here to work, and I don't know this answer, but I will make an effort to know more about this, and that is what the training will do. It will groom you. That 1 year, I am sure. एक साल का तो some sort of training does happen in SPSC also. So once you get selected, तपाईको training मा तपाईको grooming भइहाल्छ. तपाईको जति पनि तपाईको lack of knowledge छ तपाईको domain मा, that will be imparted to you. So read something about your own resume, something about your own thing. Be thorough with your background. How many of you know that there is a place called as Ribdi Bareng in Sikkim? Ribdi Bareng. कति जना honestly answer गर्नु मलाई, honestly. Every Ribdi Bareng. कहाँ छ Ribdi Bareng? West. Where does West Sikkim exist now? No. So that's what I'm saying. This comes very obvious to you. West, east, north, south. If I am interviewing you, where is West? कहाँ छ West? Soring मा छ कि Gezing मा छ? You have to be very specific. So prepare yourself. Kichopari, कहाँ छ Kichopari? तपाईको कारसी मांगनाम कहाँ छ? रावदान कहाँ छ? Which polling station in Sikkim votes the highest? Namchi Jingita. And Any other answer? Yeah? Renock. Polling station, not the constituency. West votes highest, Gazing. Yuksam. Tarzi Mangna votes highest. Most difficult places in Sikkim to reach votes the highest. What does it show? That the democracy ma believe junsa. And which is the least, by the way, Gangtok. So Gangtok is sapali answer. So the more urban areas you come, so you might be asked, why do you feel this disparity? There's a joke also. You ask a South Bombay guy, how do you go to Nasik from Delhi? How do you go to Nasik from Delhi? So South Bombay guy, South Bombay is very prosperous part of country. Some of you, if you are knowing, he says you take a flight from Delhi to Mumbai. From Mumbai you take a cab and you reach Nasik. So this is how a South Bombay guy answers. Is it that easy for everyone to reach Nasik from Delhi? No. So understand where you are coming from. Once you analyze this answer, you will find out what a common man is supposed to answer and how do you make that travel from Delhi to Nasik much more easy as an administrator for a common man. That's what you need to. You have to make sure that Kazri Mangna people are equally participant. If they are voting, ensure that you, once you assume a post of SDM, the basic services are reaching them on priority. Not just the Gangtok ma ta ठुलो ठुलो मान्छे छ कल आइहाल्छ मान्छे आउनु अगाडिमा सर तपाईले त कल आयो होला नि तपाई पनि त आएको छ तपाई पनि भन्दा हुन्छ नि कलमा मात्रै भन्नु. So this is what happens in Gangtok. West and Gazing will still, people will make an effort to come to your place asking for something which is their right. As an administrator, what do you want? You want them to be approachable. You want to improve the accessibility. You were saying Sikkim is one of the, still I would say, most accessible part of administration in entire country. When I become selected and I wanted to meet my district collector DC, it took me 2 days to meet. In spite of being selected, in spite of sending the message across that I am so and so, I have been selected, and I would like to just come and have some word or some guidance from you since I am going to Mussoorie. So it is that difficult even for persons who get into civil services. So you have to ensure that accessibility is there. Tapai, lot of people have a habit of dominating. Tulo officer you start discounting the lower section of the society. Never do that. So go with that attitude. This we will tell you, and I would really like Ashwin to come when 62 of you be selected. We would not like to meet you because you will keep on meeting in one or the other forum. But those of you who don't get selected, don't get disheartened. We would really like to meet after the interview, especially those of you who don't make it and who would like to come and meet. Ashwin? Yes. I think we should meet those people. Baki jana ko to satkar bhai aaja nahi. Hai na? Felicitation bhai aaja sabhi jana ko. Right? So, not life and death, start talking to your grandparents. कहाँ छ कहाँ बसेको छ भने अगर तपाईको घरमा बस्दैन नेक्स्ट 20 डेज को लागि बुलाएर ठीक है बुलाएर कुरा गर्नु sit with them, get that knowledge. So thank you so much and wish you all the best. Regarding further modalities, I'm sure SDM headquarters would have thought something. So we'll just discuss for 5-10 minutes regarding how do we schedule your mock interviews and your availability. The forms have already uploaded.